S1mple just leaning back in his chair, having a good time, smile on his face, living the dream, watching the best player in the world compete in Counter-Strike.
In the last series, they were going into their map choice, so a kind of different scenario. Okay, see you later. Lecro and Rez just combined to...
No.
Right, and, like, keep the precision weapon.
He's got the... I think he's got the advantage right now.
Oh my...
That's a way to finish it. We
Is insane.
6 to 7 offers, by the way.
6 to 7, 6 to 7.
Oh, wait, excuse me?
Ligma.
Okay. One just ran across my screen. Oh. That's nice.
Quick play towards the side. We saw the same from Mousesports in the previous. Ropz is sat ready and waiting already. Picks off the first, and they can't trade him out. He's just going ham. 4 kills for Ropz. Just owns them at the end. The ace from Ropz.
So we can see.
Why?
What kind of big brain play is...
Serato and Able J able to fire back. Next looking to spam down though, drops the bomb. That's not a good thing, and gets himself a second as well. Now all down to Serato, but he lines up both. Furia, they clutch out the round, and
please say that fits.
Very good.
I'm so hyped for tomorrow. I can finally replace my Fitz U2s with a brand new Carson U2.
Oh! Oh! Jackz!
oh, et derrière il récupère le
Oh, superbe!
you know, not being bullied by the Norwegian. Oh, takes that shot, and you look like a railgun shot, didn't you?
I was gonna say, did I lose my mind? Did lightning come out of the AWP? Has that been happening every time?
Against an amateur.
Yeah, I mean, like, when you die a few times, you maybe get a little bit nervous because you're like, you saw what happened to Kadian when he lost to Giuliano, like, it's years ago, so everyone remembers that. I'm just happy I won. He was really good. I think he will find a good team.
Well,
Oh no, well, can he again be not so innocent? I mean, he's the one man that could save Illuminar a lot of trouble, a lot of issues trying to go up against into a series of a 3-on. Oh yeah, this is it. This is the problem now. Yuri in a 1-on-1.
oh my gosh, I think he's won it. I think he's won it.
Yeah, he's got it. That's
Oh
it.
my
That's it.
gosh.
Yuri knows. That's it.
Oh my.
Illuminar take it. They defeat the Brazilians 16 to 14, and they will take it.
How long? 2 how long? More guns. The guy long time. Nice.
Nice.
I'm taking lower CT, I think. Not pit yet. I'm flanking long. One more long. One more long. Blind. One more. Nice. Oh my fucking god. Well, I hit one. Too long. Flanking. No one's flanking. No. Weird me. They're gonna run back. Not pit. They lurk side. What the? Help me. Fuck. Can you hold long cross? One long.
Yeah.
They can't cross long. One long. Cat. Oh, cat dead. One hit. Oh my god, I can't.
I wonder if like you